How to access Cathay Pacific Lounge. So as you can see here, lounge passes can be purchased by logging in to manage booking within 90 days before your flight departure. Now eligibility, so as you can see, you're gonna need Cathay Silver, Gold, and Diamond members are eligible to purchase a lounge pass for their travel companions in the same booking. Lounge pass is applicable for passengers holding a ticket issued by them. As you can see, ticket number beginning with 160 and traveling on flights marked and operated by them only. So all you have to do is simply go to their official website, then simply click on manage booking, and then here you're gonna have to either log in into your account or simply create a new account. Then you're gonna have to enter your flight number, and then you're gonna be able to buy the lounge access. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.